Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. I was gonna start this video with an excuse of why I haven't uploaded this week and going around on how my LED lights that order from Amazon didn't work, but today's a good day. As a matter of fact, today is a great day. We are gonna meet two more Benz lovers with their iconic Benz cars. We're meeting a W140 S-Class S500 and we're gonna meet another E-Class, but a W210 E55 that is stanced out, and we're gonna head to a meet. It's called Leveled in Farmingdale, and it's a meet for juice and air, as they say. So there are gonna be a lot of stance cars. Mind you, we have no reason to be there because the gap is tremendous and the wheels are nothing special. But let's go get coffee and meet the guys. You're gonna love the cars. Dunkin' Donuts coming up in a clutch. Look at those lights. I like the new bumper, but we gotta roll because we're not early, we're not late, but I want to see the cars rolling in. I gotta unlock the door first. See you there. Thank God I actually stopped for coffee, because right past the gas station where I was flying by but had to stop for coffee was a police officer waiting, and if I didn't stop and I went like a few over the limit, I'll have probably been a bad day and I would have gotten a huge fine. Who knows? Hey, thank you Dunkin' Donuts, you just saved me a lot of money. And let's go to the meet. Alright, so we are in the gas station, and right on cue, here is the S-Class, and we have a blue GT3. Alright, you know what, I'm gonna pull the car over there as well. Pretty good turnout. Came up that the Porsche is actually not with us, but look at this plate. This, and if you read it in Cyrillic, means 100 and then 40 Sorak, which is W140 body, and that's exactly what this beast is, also known in our countries as Slon or elephant. Here we go, we have Slate. As I said, this GT3 is actually not with us, which is sad. We should take it with us, but here is a lowered, nicely stanced S3 2001. Yeah, so that will be a fun day. And the last piece of the puzzle, I love the bumper on this W210 E55, and look at the stance. So enough for this car, let's get on the road. Alright, so we're following the Audi S3. Fun fact, this is a S3 from 2001, and it's one of the three in the country. It's because Audi started importing them in the country. So right here, you can't see it, but the Benz is right there in the rear view mirror. This is fear when you see the S-Class passing by in our countries. It's the Mafia coming, the Mafia. Here is the E-Class. people say that the drive to the meet is half the enjoyment, and I've so far had a blast. Look at these babies. I mean, mine is not stanced out, so it's not supposed to be here. And then you got the E55 on air and the S3. I don't believe too many cars are gonna show because of the weather. It's really cold, but look at this. Look at that. The huge ass Lincoln. Caddies. Look at the Rambler. I love the readiness of these cars. Look at that. It's on the floor. Oh my god. I love this truck. It's like a school bus. It's awesome. Look at the Rams. Every little thing is slammed over here. I love how many seats the cars used to have back in the day. Leveled. Leveled is the name of the meat over here. It's for air and juice. I haven't seen any juice so far, but there's a lot of air, right? A lot of air. It is always nice to see another aspect of the car culture, and these back Benzes and American muscle cars are fantastic. Now we're gonna go and grab a bite. I love rolling in a convoy of cars, but the dreaded fuel light is on, so I gotta stop at some point and get some gas. Look at that. We have the Toyota Corolla, the Audi S3, the bagged E55, the back Cadillac, and feel this, 140, the W140 S500. Mafia Mobile. Benz Mafia! Michelle's Diner 110 takeover. We have Feel right there, parked like a boss. Have the Caddy and the Audi over there in the back. But yeah, let's go grab something to eat. What a super nice day. Great people, good company, and a lot of cars, different type of cars seeing the back community. But what do you guys think of the beard? Let me know down in the comment section. I'm supporting prostate cancer awareness by No Shave November, or until my wife tells me to shave, you know. But if you guys like today's video, hit the thumbs up, why not? Share it with a friend, or leave me a comment down below. It helps. Subscribe also for a lot more videos to come on the Car Goes channel. Bye!